Happy Thanksgiving! Woo! So today is actually Thanksgiving, and if you didn't know, they do not celebrate Thanksgiving in Spain because they don't have the history that we have in the United States to back up the holiday. So it's just been a pretty normal day, as you can imagine, but I wanted to take this as an opportunity to bring a little bit of America to Spain. So I'm gonna try and make a Thanksgiving dinner. So here we are at Carrefour. It is basically like the Walmart of Spain. So the hard part about grocery shopping kind of for this project was trying to find those ingredients that you find in a traditional American Thanksgiving, such as cranberry sauce or Campbell's chicken soup. But we got the goods and it was quite fun. Yes, today is Thanksgiving, but we are going to be having this dinner tomorrow because I did not have time today going to school to try and cook a turkey dinner. If you know, it takes so much time. And I've always been so grateful. I have an amazing mother who is so good at cooking, and she has always made our Thanksgiving dinners every year. So this will be my first time trying to pioneer the road of making Thanksgiving dinner. So we're picking up the turkey tonight. I'm gonna try and prepare the stuffing. We have to make everything from scratch. That's something that is going to be a little bit tricky, is trying to find all those ingredients that go into a traditional American Thanksgiving dinner in Spain. So on the menu we have turkey, mashed potatoes, green bean casserole, stuffing, salad, and then for dessert we have carrot cake, peach cobbler, and brownies. So it should be super tasty and I'm super psyched. So yes, let's get cooking. Had to take a quick break to look how pretty the sky is right now. Like, bruh. The Spanish ovens are actually so different from regular ovens, and they have all these weird different settings that are so funny. But yeah, so I'm just making brownies first here. I use this recipe from the Olive magazine. I never was a baker, especially if you knew me, I'm not a baker, but these brownies are so good, so easy. You make them from scratch and you feel like a pro doing it. So I'll link the recipe down below. 10 out of 10 recommend. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, they're so good. And to be honest, I don't know if it's just because they haven't had brownies before. That is one thing that I love about cooking for Spaniards, American food, is they've never had it before. So they're like, it's so good. And I don't know if it's just because they haven't had it before and they have nothing to compare it to, but I would like to think it's because I am a master chef, yes. So yeah, we add some walnuts. I honestly am not a nut gal, but they were busting. They were definitely worth it. 10 out of 10 recommend. Again, yeah, so we just put that in there. Yes, it was great. So tasty. So if you are looking for a brownie recipe, make this. It has eggs in it. It's from scratch. It's kind of not really healthy at all, but you'll eat them all. Okay, we just finished cooking the brownies and now we are going to make the carrot cake. I had to stop filming in the middle of cooking the brownies because I kept mixing up the ingredients because the camera was making me a little bit nervous, but let's make the carrot cake. So we actually had to split up our cooking into 2 days, the night before and then the day of, just for overall convenience. We don't have a Thanksgiving break, obviously, in Spain. So just with the different ways, that is how it ended up working out best. So we actually have a funny story with the oven. So we put the turkey in the night of, and I never really thought about how the oven space was going to work because we only have that one small oven. So I went to put in the green bean casserole and the stuffing and realized, oh my goodness gracious, we do not have oven space, and the turkey was going to be ready at 7:30 and everyone was coming over at 8, and all of my stuff was going to take like an hour. So the elders, Elder Jolly and Elder Popiti, who are the LDS missionaries in our area, love them. They came to the rescue and let us use their oven at the church, and they were so awesome. They literally walked a 10-minute walk holding our dishes in oven mitts, and it was so amazing. I'm so grateful for them. But yes, the night was super fun. We had my host parents, my host counselors, some family friends, and their baby, which you will see. Her name is Noah. She's the cutest ever. And then those missionaries, there they are. Whoop, whoop. Best missionaries ever. It was just such a tender night. I'm so grateful that I had the opportunity to share all these experiences with them. So yes, here's a little sneak peek at the table. And here is how the rest of the night went. Just enjoy, and I hope you can feel the good vibes through the video. Brock, how was it?
Thanksgiving de Navidad es el mejor de todo el mundo.
Okay, Elder, how was the dinner?
The dinner was incredible. Amazing.
Oh yeah. Just finished. Literally the best night ever. Be grateful and tell someone you love them today.